Not sure how to use your YR-HE2 remote? Model number YR-HE2. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your YR-AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature, perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling, great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling, ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode, it warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode, the AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Press the I Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. Pressing the Eco button activates energy saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The Health Mode button activates special features like air purification or ionizer functions in the AC. It helps remove dust, bacteria, and allergens from the air, ensuring cleaner and healthier indoor air quality. Sleep Mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The Extra Function button on a YR-AC remote activates special features like advanced modes or additional settings depending on the model. It offers quick access to extra functions that improve comfort and convenience. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. The Confirm button is used to finalize and save your selected settings or options. Pressing it ensures the chosen function or adjustment is applied successfully. When you press the Cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or Good Sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Press the Lock button to freeze all remote functions. This prevents accidental changes until the button is pressed again to unlock. Press the Light button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC operation. If your YR-AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Press the Reset button to reboot the remote control. This action clears temporary errors or glitches and restores the remote to normal operation. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your YR-AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.